Hey guys, this is an interesting site which I have recently come across with. It's called Creative Fabrica. They have a wonderful AI-based image creation tech called Spark. I like the way how they have named it, Spark. It's a very attractive name. Spark of ideas, concept, this is how I relate to. So let me show you how we can use Spark to create wonderful artwork. Let's begin. Okay, go to Google and type Creative Fabrica Spark. Click this link cfspark. It will take you to this site. I have already logged in. This is where you enter your prompt. Okay, before that, I have tried few keyword inputs already to check and understand how this particular AI system works. I tried various styles and combinations. I tried spaceships, I tried paintings, cinematic, fiction backgrounds, characters and so on. To be honest, I was surprised. Look at this. I have created something similar to this art using Midjourney. So I tried to use pretty much the same keywords to check and understand how this AI results comes up. Wow. Just at the first set of variations, results from Spark is amazing. Look at this and look at this. I tried few variations and upscaling in Midjourney, but here, straight on at the first attempt, the result is amazing. Anyways, I will leave a link in the description for this video. So if you are interested, have a look at it. Let's go ahead and try something. Let's say surrealistic fantasy flamingo, cinematic lighting, very intricate, hyper detailed fantasy art. I like this artist called Salvador Dali. He's actually a Spanish artist. He's a surreal artist. And let's say blue light, Halloween color palette. I wanted it to be a masterpiece, cinematic background, hyper realistic octane render, 8K resolution, depth of field, and cinematic composition and Unreal Engine and so on. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to give what I want to create and what type of style is it and how I wanted it to be. So I'm trying to plug these things as a keywords in the prompt. Okay, so let's go ahead and click ignite. Now it is generating. It seems a bit slow because I don't have credits here. So if you click speed up creation, if you click here, it will take you to this page wherein you can buy 1000 speed credits for $9 a month. It's very cheap. It's nothing. You can still try it out for free. With the subscription, you get speed credits that will allow you to jump to the top of the queue. I have tried various prompts with 0 credits, so you can still use it for free. Okay, our artwork is done. Look at this. This is beautiful. You can actually go ahead and publish, or if you want to create further variations, you can use the same prompt, use again, and click ignite. This will create 4 more variations. And if you look at here, with the subscription, you can actually take part in the 100,000 prize pot. That is interesting. Okay, so now 4 more variations I've done. I love this. This is nice. Let's go ahead and publish this. Click publish. Okay, it is publishing. Now, this will take you to this page. Yo, this is amazing. This is in 5 minutes, man. And you can post your project. If you click post your projects, unlock all of the content just for $1. Okay, you can try it for just $1. You can create your own artwork and you can go ahead and share it on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook and all that. An interesting thing is that they have all of these assets like font assets, graphic assets, illustrations, logos and crafts and 3D SVGs. And they also have courses as well, teachers, and print on demand is very interesting. So you can actually go ahead and print on demand. I think with the subscription, you can also download your own creation with the full POD license. Okay. So if you go to your creations, and if you check here, so you will have your own assets here with the prompts used for that particular artwork. Okay, and you can use this for print on demand. What I like in this site is their print on demand assets. Their subscription license is very straightforward. Okay, if you look at this page, what you are allowed to, what you are not allowed to. So it's very straightforward. Okay, say for example, if you are selling any physical end products, what you are allowed to and what you are not allowed to. And if you are doing any digital end products, for example, what you are allowed to and what you are not allowed to. They are very straightforward. Same thing with basic print on demand, what you are allowed to, what you are not allowed to, and full print on demand, and embroidery products and so on. So it's very straightforward subscription license. So cfspark AI image generator is so simple and stunning. If you are a graphic designer or a character artist or a 3D artist, this cfspark AI based image generator create images that are 100% unique, and this tool will blow your imagination into something unimaginable. It is quite simple, and when you are designing a character or a scene, or you have a big concept in your mind, so basically you go ahead and give the concept words which is in your mind as a command prompt. The cfspark will analyze those words and try to come up with an wonderful art. And if you don't like it, you can just regenerate it again until you are finding a product which is satisfying you. That's it for now. I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would give me a motivation to do more videos. And if you specifically want to know anything, kindly do let me know in the comments below. I will try my best to make a video. Thanks for watching.